Plants that grow low to the ground, or ground covers, are multi-purpose landscape elements. They prevent weeds from growing, keep slopes stable, and give your yard a unique look and feel. Ground cover plants, in contrast to grass, don't need regular mowing. However, many ground covers in colder climates die back and lie dormant throughout the winter months. For year-round privacy in a specific garden spot, select evergreen ground cover types. These lovely, hardworking plants have so much to offer. Number 1. Creeping Myrtle. Flowers on Vinca minor are typically blue, although the Alba variety gives white ones. This floral vine is a solution to a common issue, as it thrives in dry shadow. Such conditions are generally unfavorable for the survival of many plant species. Unfortunately, it can be invasive in some regions, so it's important to do some research on the topic before bringing it into your yard. Creeping myrtle is only hardy in USDA planting zones 4 to 8. Number 2. Japanese Spurge. The Japanese spurge, or Pachysandra terminalis, is a traditional broadleaf evergreen ground cover for shade and also tolerates dry shade. It is hardy in USDA plant hardiness zones 4 through 8. Pachysandra is purely a leaf plant, but Vinca also has attractive flowers. It has larger, glossier, brighter green leaves that fill in more densely. Thus, this trade-off may be acceptable. Number 3. Creeping Thyme. There are evergreen varieties of creeping thyme. This perennial can withstand hot, dry conditions because of its adaptations. It prefers dry, well-drained soil, like other Mediterranean herbs. The fragrant leaves of creeping thyme. Tuck it in between garden stepping stones so that you can take in the green carpet and the aroma of herbs as you stroll through your garden. Tolerant to temperatures in zones 5 through 8. Number 4. Spotted Dead Nettle. Spotted dead nettle, also known Lamia maculatum, more often known as nettle, is another attractive dry shade ground cover. The silvery, green-tipped leaves of this flowering ground cover make it useful for both purposes. Depending on environmental factors, the leaves can be either fully or partially evergreen. In hardiness zones 4 through 8, you can plant a Lamia maculatum. Number 5. Lenten Rose. The typical quantity of water is sufficient for this shade-loving plant. Lenten Rose also resists voles and self-seeds effectively. Its blossoms are obstructive because they bend toward the ground. To avoid having to get down on your knees to enjoy its beauty, this ground cover should be grown on a landscaping berm or other raised location. Plant the Ivory Prince variety instead, as its blossoms remain upright. The plant survives in temperatures between 4 to 9 degrees Celsius. Number 6. Wall Germander. The Teucrium chemidries marks the change from perennials to subshrubs, or plants with woody stems. The ground cover, known as wall germander, may withstand dry conditions. This low-maintenance ground cover is an excellent option for use as an edging plant along walkways in full sun. Some Teucrium varieties are particularly well-suited for use as topiaries. USDA hardiness, zones 5 through 9. Number 7. Candytuft. Candytufts are sun-loving, drought-resistant subshrubs. In the south, they are evergreen, while in the north, they are only partly evergreen. The Candytuft plant requires a sunny site with well-drained, somewhat alkaline soil. The exquisite flowers of Candytuft are worth the work of growing it from early spring through summer, and sometimes again in the fall. Those in zones 4 through 8 can rest assured that it will thrive. Well, thanks for watching video from Catchy Garden. Don't forget to click like and subscribe button to always support our channel. You can also turn on the notification bell to get the latest videos from us. We'll see you in the next videos.